Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a list parameter in our Jenkins job. So whenever we click on the build button, it's going to show up a list and we can choose the value that we want. So to add a new parameter, we click on the add parameter button and we choose, in this case, choice parameter. So we're going to give it a name, which can be like last name, for example. And in here, we're going to give choices. So let's say that the first last name is going to be like Smith, second one is going to be my last name, third one is going to be a random one, and that's it. So cool. Here, in this case, we have a parameter which is called last name and a list of values. So depending on which value the user picks up, then this variable is going to take that value. So let's make it clear. For example, now we have the first name, now we have the second name, and now what we need to do here is say like last name. So let's save this and let's click on build with parameters. As you can see here, we still have the first name parameter, which is a string parameter. Second name is a string parameter as well, but the third one, the last name that we just created, is a list. And if we click on this list, we are going to see the allowed values that we created before. So the user can only choose one of these values. So let's go ahead and choose the last one. And as you can see, let's just give a random name here and click on build. Once the execution finishes, you are going to go here, console output, and then you are going to see your hello, the first parameter, second parameter, and the third parameter, that is the result of the choosing option by the user. So as you could see, we choose the Doe last name as the value for this parameter. So let's click, for example, in this. Let's hit build. And after the execution finishes, we're going to go into the output. And as you can see here, the script is actually taking the values that we are sending, which is pretty good. So cool, you already know how to create string parameters, how to create list parameters, and how to make your Jenkins job to print those values. This is pretty cool. See you in the next lesson.